Touch Ophelia. Touch Ophelia. Yes, good boy. What's this called?
Rock.
What's this called?
Block.
What's this called?
Spell.
What color is this?
Purple.
What's that made of?
Purple.
What's this made of?
Glass.
What's this called?
Glass. This is a bowl.
What's this called? What's this called? What?
It's a book.
What's this called?
Sock.
What color?
Red.
What's this called? It's made of glass. What's it called? What's this called?
This is a bowl.
Yes, it's a bowl. Good boy. He can't resist banging on the bowl. What's this book made of?
Paper.
What's this called?
Sock.
What's this made of? What's it made of?
Metal.
What's this called?
This is a bowl.
What's it made of?
Glass.
No. What's the bowl made of?
Metal.
That's right. Good job. There's your pistache.